Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel MSCK Trading Academy. Guys, before I move to analysis today, let me show you one important thing. I have pinned a message here, you can see here, options buying for day trading. All those who are day traders who are interested in learning option buying, guys, you can go through these concepts. If you have a little understanding on technical analysis, this will help you a lot. It's just around 4 pages what I have written, and this I have pinned in my Telegram group, that is MSCK Trading, you can see here. And the link of this channel is also here, MSCK Trading. I'll share this link in the description box. You can join the Telegram channel for regular updates. And let's go to the analysis part. Yes, today in the morning I had seen this candle opening here. It was a gap down and there was a good pressure on the upside, but this is a strong resistance level which has been held for last 2 days, and there was also a trend line what I had drawn here, you can see here. Right now, if you see the first 15-minute candle, it had formed something like a major bar, and later on all the other bars were within this. Right, when I saw the second candlestick, this 15-minute candlestick trading within this bar, it was looking something like an inside bar. So I decided I'll take this important level, the resistance level, as a strong resistance point, because in case it breaks, I was sure it will retest and bounce on the upside, or else there are good chances prices can fall down. This was the analysis what I had done, and you can see here later on, once this inside bar low had broken somewhere around 35,644, somewhere here, from there was a continuous fall today. And let me show you how my students also have performed. I was happy seeing their profits, though they are trading with a small capital of 25,000. There are very few guys, few students who have a big capital. Rest all, I'm asking everyone to start with 25,000. If you can't make money with 25,000, guys, you can never make money even with 2.5 lakhs or probably 25 lakhs. So handling a small account was very important initially. Now you can see here, guys, somewhere around 9:33 a.m. right, this is a 9:33 a.m. you can see here. I had shared this analysis as I said you. Then I had also shared a future chart which I had shown this was holding the resistance and within the trend line here. So the bounce was from the trend line. So if this trend line broke and this range low of 15-minute candle had broken, probably we had expected a movement on the downside. That's the reason I had shared that analysis. And you can see here the first small profit was around 793. This is one of my student, Chaudhary sir. Though by end of the day he has closed with a good profit. I'll show you that. Right, he had the Bank Nifty put option here, and let me go back to the messages. You can see here I had updated its expiry day. Don't be in a hurry to trade, wait for proper setup. Initially my focus was 35,600 CE. Later on at around 10:14 a.m. and then 10:17 I realized the setup was bearish. I've trained my students to identify the setup. With the help of that, we understand whether the move can be bullish or bearish. If you understand the trend initially, half of your work is done. Right, then I said focus should be based on the setup. So the setup was bearish. I said go with the setup and rules, and we had picked these two strike prices, 35,900 PE or 35,800 PE. Both were good. Then you can see the messages here. Students started waiting for this setup to come in. Right, and you can see here this trade was 35,800 PE initially, very close with 995 loss, and on Nifty put side 15,900 PE he made somewhere around 17,800. Now let me show the other profits as well. This he made 1225. This is just with a small capital of 25k. One student, he has big capital, somewhere around 81,000 he made. And next you can see here, this was again Chaudhary sir. He closed with 4,420 rupees profit. There was a trade on call side 35,500 CE and 35,600 CE. He closed with a very small losses, and that is very good. Rest 35,700 PE and 35,900 PE has rewarded him well. And there's one more student, he made somewhere around 2052. You can see here he has shared around 1-2 p.m. and this is the other analysis. I said the prices are coming back to the trend line, it's testing there, so it's better we be careful there. Yeah, this is one more student, he has made, you can see here, with 35500C he had lost 1600, but 35800P has given him somewhere around 4720. That's good, right? This is the analysis what I had shared. Now just to show them what exactly had happened on analysis, what I had shared somewhere around 9:13 a.m. right now. Let me show you my Telegram channel as well. You can see here I be regularly posting what is happening. This is all my students profit and all, and had shared the chart as well here. You can see here this was shared somewhere around 11:52 a.m. at mark 35,900p. I had given a hint and also showed them the direction that there are good chances from here it can bounce up, and you can see what has happened. 265 from 265 it has almost run till 650 today, and 180, I think 180 to 500 in 35,800p, right? These are the charts what I had shared, right? That's all, guys. You can join my Telegram channel also for regular updates and go through this PDF. This will help you a lot probably, and if this helps, I'll be really thankful to everyone who gives a comment on this, how you have understood the concepts. And in case you have any doubt, you can just drop a WhatsApp message on the number mentioned here. Any more thing, I'll try to help you out from my end. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video. I'll see you again in the next video. Have a good day.